living for close to where she put her makeup, roses alone down here, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. To a party, and everyone turned to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do I feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And I wonder all along, is I just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching hand, so I give her the coffee. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her, as I turn off the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. You look so wonderful.